Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to redeem a promo code on Margex. To redeem a promo code on Margex, first of all, open the Margex application from your mobile device and log into your account. After you are logged into your Margex account, go ahead and look for the option that says promo code on the top of the screen. Simply tap on it and enter your promo code that you have on the text box. Type or paste in your code into the box and then click on confirm, and then the system will validate the code and apply the associated bonus or discount to your account. If your redemption is successful, you should see a confirmation message indicating that the code was successfully redeemed. If applicable, the bonus will appear on your account balance or promotion section. So that is how you easily redeem promotional code on Margex. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.